plus 277 31582 Mulani Operators Training School, South Africa. With our registration note 2013/124410/07, accredited TETASETA, call us plus 277 31582 At Mulani Operators we offer training in the following courses. Plus 277 31582 Mulani Training Excavator Dump Truck, Mobile Crane Tower Crane TLB Dump Truck Training School in Germiston, Johannesburg offers free accommodation to all students from Limpopo, Durban, Polokwane, Mpumalanga, Cape Town, Zambia, Malawi, Mozambique. Forklift 3 5 days training, TLB 1 week training, Bobcat 1 week training, Front End Loader 2 weeks, Bulldozer 10 days training, Dump Truck 10 days training, Excavator 10 days training, LHD Scoop 2 weeks training, Grader 10 days training, Mobile Crane 10 days training, Overhead Crane 10 days training, Dangerous Goods Hascom 4 days, Drill Rig 2 weeks, Tower Crane 10 days training, Bobcat 5 days. We offer free accommodation. Cell plus 2773 1582436. Boilermaker also available at our 7000 trained in mine. We offer job assistance after training. We also offer free transport and accommodation to students operating the machines as above. More information, contact Mulani Operators on plus 2773 1582436, WhatsApp 07315 82436. Improve your skills. Join us and take one of the courses that we offer. We are fully registered and committed to have successfully skilled in all the areas of our training. Come and have the view our workshop for welding courses. Call us plus 277 31 58 24 36. 1. Aluminum welding 4 weeks. 2. Arc welding 4 weeks. 3. Argon welding 4 weeks. 4. Boilermaker 4 weeks. 5. Gas welding and cutting 4 weeks. 6. Steel welding 4 weeks. 7. Stick welding 4 weeks. 8. Pipe welding, point 4 weeks. All the courses go with safety and first aid skills. Our workshop is protected and big enough for the proper training of all the courses, machines courses. Job placement after training, accommodation available. Call us on plus 2773 1582 436 for more inquiries. Branches in Germiston, Johannesburg, Leffelal, Phalaborwa, Messina. Plus 277 31 58 24 36. Mulani Training Excavator Dump Truck, Mobile Crane Tower Crane TLB Dump Truck Training School in Germiston, Johannesburg offers free accommodation to all students from Limpopo, Durban, Polokwane, Mpumalanga, Cape Town, Zambia, Malawi, Mozambique. Call us plus 277 31 582 436 or email us mulanioperators@yahoo.com. Facebook http://www.facebook.com/mulanitraining. Twitter http://www.twitter.com/mulanitraining. Website http://www.mulanioperatorstraining.com/.